Welcome to the SouthWare Rev 15 Live Portals introduction. So here we are looking at the live portal in SouthWare Revision 15. If you notice here, we've got a number of portal options: roles, people, tasks, analysis, alerts and news, and overview, which has setup options. So currently we're on the roles tab and we're in the CEO role, and we have a number of items in our launch menu, as well as the main pane contains information, financial summaries, and things like that because we're currently on the CEO portal. So other portals, CFO, sales manager, service manager, etc. There's over 20 fully integrated portals. And these are all personalizable by you. So in the main pane here, we see we have a number of different tabs. So on the CEO portal, you can cover areas like financial with income statements and balance sheets, graphs and charts related to that. You can also go into a sales summary. Again, it focuses in on that specific area with graphs and charts and information. Service summary with graph charts and information related to your services and things like that. So the CEO can get a quick view of the portal right from that screen. So if we try some of the different options here, move from roles to people, we can see that we have different people options. Right now we're looking at customers, and we're looking at an overview of customers where we see specific information, graphs and charts about the customers. Then we have some different list options where we can list, in this example, the top 25 based on year-to-date sales. And that pulls up in our web grid tool. Of course, in that web grid, the data is sortable by clicking on the title. You can also filter the data by entering data into the little filter boxes. And the filter boxes also can be fairly sophisticated. In this case, where we're filtering down by greater than $1,000 in sales or greater than $5,000 in sales year to date. If you notice, the entire list is in the background, so as you change your filter, the list changes automatically. So let's go into customer details, and we'll go to the tab there so we can see all of the customer details. So we see right now we're on the customer view. We see an entire sheet of customer information. I can go into customer edit where there's a mini edit here on the screen. I can also go to the full edit, which actually brings me into the application where I can edit all the fields for the customer. Also, in this 360-degree view here, we can see the contact persons, tasks related to the customer. Tasks could be things that you need to do for a customer. It could be alerts based on data-driven alert updates, things like that. In this case, which has tracking sales opportunities and calls. You can also see a summary of your open orders. On any of these, you can click to drill into the order details, and the order detail tab opens up. Here we can see the order information, the header, bill to, ship to, all the line items on the order. And if we want to, we can go all the way into the maintenance of the order, where we can access order entry, which shows us the entire order on the screen. So again, we can come back out of that. We break right down to where we are in the system here. We can now go back into service orders, same kind of summary and drill down on service orders. We can go into opportunities, see the breakdown on opportunities that we have available here. That's where we can track where somebody is interested in something and maybe they have a budget assigned to it. So we can track that. All the boxes are expandable and hideable so that you can give yourself additional workspace as you need it. On the opportunities, you can see here we're tracking linked quotes, linked tasks, things like that. One of the interesting new features in Rev 15 is the activity report, where we can track all of the activity on an account in one pane. So here we can see all the invoices, service orders, new contracts, quotes, tasks, all of that information is tracked in one pane. So we can see the entire transaction history with a customer, and that's drillable. So you can drill down on each of those items to look at it. And then, of course, we can get into reports, contracts if you have recurring billing or service contracts with a customer, and there's other options there as well. That same 360-degree analysis and inquiries available for all of the people, vendors, prospects, and all of those. So we also have an analysis tab. Here we can see where we're doing an analysis by sales orders, summary information, graphs and charts for our sales orders. Got the same kind of analysis, graphs and charts with a financial focus. service orders, opportunities. You can see the stages, the funnel of opportunities as they're moving through the different stages based on percent of opportunities and also dollars per stage. And we've got other analysis based on contracts and jobs and projects and things like that. So that's been a brief introduction of the new live portals in SouthWare Rev 15.